Pero ang question, what makes a good life? Loneliness kills eh. And we thought good relationships, I think, would make us happier. Yes, but we were surprised that relationships actually predicted who will live longer and who would grow old in a healthier way. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang basta relasyon eh. Dapat magandang relasyon with your wife or your husband, your children, your grandchildren, your good friends. Importante yan eh. And we need to have physical health as well because it actually enhances your intellectual health, your intelligence quotient, your emotional quotient, and eventually your spiritual quotient. What I'm trying to say, everything emanates from physical health. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Napaka-importante din ang sense of humility. Importante ho yun. In this world, dapat grounded pa rin tayo. At hindi ho tayo dapat sabihin natin dominante tayo sa ibang tao. Dapat hindi tayo nambubuli. Ang dami ho sa atin sa social media nambubuli. Sana sa Easter Sunday, yan ang maging reflection natin if we wish to become Filipino heroes once more.